District Supervisor, Ma'am Ana Margarita Vito Blanc, our representative, our school head, Sir Richard A. Kanya. To our guest speaker, Ms. Mabel Y. Ole, faculty and staff, guests, family, and fellow movers, good morning. Today is a day to be thankful and to be inspired. First, we have lots to be thankful for. Here at Mambalafeo Elementary School, we learned many priceless lessons, not just academically, but also socially, mentally, and spiritually. We indeed received a great education, which is a strong and solid foundation for us to have a great start in life. Fellow movers, it is a great gift being as prepared as we are for the next endeavor. Let us strive our best in everything we do. Thank you to Mambalafeo Elementary School administration and staff. More particularly to Teacher Joanne S. Hardinero, my hardworking and patient mentor for the whole year. I salute you, ma'am. Next, you can be also thankful for our family. If you still remember, we have lots of activities. Star Rebel, Twinkle Day, Reading Month celebrations, to name a few. It is happy to know that we had our families by our side, supporting us along the way. I want to personally thank my Lolo and Lola for their support. My sister, Miss Ciara de la Sida, for inspiring me every day. To my proud parents, Mr. Mark Anthony and Mrs. Terina Sida, I would not be here today without you. Above all, to our Almighty God for giving me the gift of life and skills, which I am happy to share with you. Personally, I am inspired that we are here today. We have finished our kindergarten days. We are here finally to reap the fruit of our labor and hard work. When we leave here today, let us celebrate what we have accomplished. But look forward toward how you too can be the inspiration for others. Thank you and congratulations, movers.
Okay, you're amazing kid. Ang galing.